I will show you how to fix computer date and time keeps changing in Windows 10 or 11. So firstly, click on Start. Now here type time setting. Click on date and time settings. Now here guys, turn on set time automatically. Also turn on set time zone automatically. If you will see auto is selected different, so turn off and select your proper time zone. Then click on sync now. Now close it, then restart. After restart, type here services. Open services. Now in this list, you have to find out Windows time. This one, right click on it. Properties. Startup type, select automatic. Then stop it. Then start. Then click on apply. So it should be running start. Then close it. Now third method, search control panel. Open control panel. Now select view by large icons. Now here click on date and time. Now here click on internet time. Click on change settings. Here you have to select time.windows.com. Then click on update now. Then click on OK. Again click on OK. Now restart your system. So this is the way guys you can fix computer date and time keeps changing in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.